In this video, we will explore the chart of accounts. This is one of the most important parts of the accounting system. It defines how all financial transactions are recorded and organized. It includes assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. To access, click Accounts, then select Chart of Accounts. You will see a list of all accounts. Each account represents a category for financial tracking. Accounts can be grouped to maintain structure and clarity. You can also create new accounts by adding a name, type, and category. A well-structured chart ensures accurate reporting and system reliability. Next, we are going to explore the Customer module. This module manages all entities that make payments to the facility. This includes patients, insurance providers, and organizations. To access, click Accounts, then Customers. Under Customers, a drop-down menu appears. This includes Customer, Customer Payments, Payment Allocation, General Invoices, Schemes, and Scheme Limits. First, we will look at Customer and how to add one. Click on Customer. A page will appear displaying a list of all customers recorded in the system. Here, you will see details such as name, phone number, and P.O. box. To add a new customer, click Add Customer. A form will open. Start by entering customer name, telephone number, and P.O. box. You can also add terms and conditions if applicable. After reviewing all the details, click Save. The customer will be added successfully. Next, we are going to look at customer payments. It is used to record payments made by customers. This helps you keep track of all customer payments accurately. To record a new payment, click on Record Payment. A payment form will open. Start by selecting the customer name from the drop-down. Next, enter the payment date. Then, select the bank account if applicable. Continue by entering the amount paid, the reference, and any remarks. Finally, click Submit, and the payment will be saved successfully. Next, we are going to dive into payment allocation. This is the process of assigning a received payment to one or more outstanding invoices, ensuring that customer balances are accurately updated. Under the Customers drop-down, click on Payment Allocation. What appears on the screen is an overview of this section. Here you will see the date, reference number, customer name, payment allocated, and balance. To create a new allocation, click on Allocate Payment. A new screen will appear. Start by selecting whether the payment is from a customer or a patient. Next, select the customer or patient from the drop-down. Then move to the Payment field. Here, select the payment that has an unused balance. After that, click on Retrieve Statement. The system will display all outstanding invoices for the selected record. In the table, you will see invoice date, description, scheme, invoice amount, allocated amount, and remaining balance. To allocate the payment, go to the Allocate column and enter the amount for each invoice. You can allocate the full amount to one invoice or distribute it across multiple invoices. Once done, click on Allocate. The system will update the invoice balances and mark them as fully or partially paid. Next, we have the General Invoices module. General invoices are used to create and manage billing records for customers. They capture all charges for goods or services provided. In this section, we will look at how to manage general invoices within the system. Once you open the General Invoices page, you will see a list of all customer invoices that have been created. At the top, there is a search bar that allows you to quickly locate an invoice. Below that, the system displays key information, including invoice number, date, customer name, reference, amount, and the user who prepared the invoice. To create a new invoice, click on New Invoice at the top right. A form will open. Start by selecting the customer from the drop-down. Next, enter the date, then fill in the reference. Move to the transaction section. Enter description, amount, and quantity. Then select the revenue account from the drop-down. Below, you will see the transaction list, where all added items are displayed. Once all details are entered, click Save. The invoice will be recorded in the system and appear in the list. It can now be used for payment processing and allocation. This module ensures that all customer transactions are properly recorded, tracked, and reported accurately.